is Ryni. Okay, today we will study about time. Can you repeat after me? Time.
Okay, now I will introduce you about clock. They are clocks. They have different model and different shape. Clock has 12 numbers. Start from number 1 up to number 12. They will help you to show the hour and the minutes.
The long hand will show you about minute, and the short hand will show you about hour. This is minute hand. This is hour hand. Okay, now we will study about a clock. To show a clock, the minute hand should point at 12, and the hour hand will point at any number.
You have to keep in your mind that to say a clock, the minute hand should point at 12. If the minute hand point at 12 and the hour hand point at 5, so it is 5 o'clock. 5 o'clock. If the minute hand point at 12 and the hour hand point at 3, it is 3 o'clock. 3 o'clock. If the minute hand point at 12 and the hour hand point at 10, it is 10 o'clock. 10 o'clock. If the minute hand point at 1 and the hour hand point at 4, can you say it as 4 o'clock? Can you say it as 4 o'clock? No, it's not a clock because the minute hand point at 1. If the minute hand point at 1 is not a clock, the minute hand should point at 12, so you can say it as a clock. If the minute hand point at 3 and the hour hand at 6, can you say it as 6 o'clock? No, it's not a clock. The minute hand should point at 12. So you can say it as 6 o'clock.
So, do you understand about a clock? Remember, keep in your mind to say a clock, the minute hand should point at 12. To say a clock, the minute hand should point at 12. Okay, we go to the next material. It's about half past. Half past. To say half past, the minute hand should point at 6. Keep in your mind, to say half past, the minute hand should point at 6. And what about the hour hand? The hour hand should point between the numbers. For example, like this. The minute hand point at 6 and the hour hand point between 7 and 8. 7 and 8. So, how to say this time? It is 7:30. Why it is 7:30? So you have to choose the number before 7 and 8. What is the number before? It's 7. So you can say it as 7:30. If the minute hand point at 6 and the hour hand point between 11 and 12, if the minute hand point at 6 and the hour hand point between 11 and 12, take a look for the hour hand. The hour hand point between 11 and 12. Which number is the number before? It's 11. So it is 11:30. If the minute hand point at 6 and the hour hand point between 2 and 3, what time is it? Don't forget to choose the number before 2 and 3. 2 and 3. So, which number is before? It's 2. So it is 2:30 because 2 is the number before 3. It is 2:30. 2:30. Okay. Next, if the minute hand point at 6 and the hour hand point between 12 and 1, what time is it? It is 12:30. Is it 12:30? Is it 12:30? Yes, it is 12:30. Look at the number on your clock. Before number 1 is 12. Here. So it is 12:30. If the minute hand point at 6 and the hour hand point between 10 and 11, it is 10:30. 10:30. Don't forget to say 12:30. You have to make sure that the minute hand point at 6 and the hour hand point between the numbers. For the hour hand, look at the number. You have to choose the number before. You understand? To say a clock, the minute hand should point at 12. To say 12:30, the minute hand should point at 6. Okay, so do you understand right now? Thank you, good luck, and bye-bye.